oven-fried chicken. Yield 6 servings. 1 frying chicken, disjointed. 1½ teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon pepper, 1 cup flour, 1½ cups milk, 1½ cups townhouse cracker crumbs. Wash chicken, being sure all pin feathers are removed. Place flour, salt, and pepper in heavy sack. Add 3 or 4 pieces of chicken at a time and shake. When all are well floured, empty remaining flour and put finely crumbled, not ground, townhouse cracker crumbs in sack. Dip pieces of floured chicken in milk, then shake in townhouse cracker crumbs, a few pieces at a time until well coated. Place chicken meaty side up in a greased, shallow baking dish, no fat, and bake 40 minutes in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven. Turn pieces and bake another 20 minutes or until second side is browned.